Good morning everyone. Welcome back to grade 5 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? So, we have been learning about multiplication. I hope all of you are thorough with the multiplication tables by now. Now, look at this question. 25 into 12. How would you multiply this? Definitely the product is going to be a big number, right? So, is there any shortcut to do this multiplication so that we can find the answer easily? It would be nice, right? So, we know from what we have learned in lower classes, we know that it's easier to do the multiplication of a number with tens, hundreds, thousands, or the multiples of these numbers, right? So, shall we round off any one of these numbers to 10, 100 or so on, or the multiples of it, so that we can easily do the multiplication process? Let's say the number 12. The number 12 is closer to number 10, and we can write this 12 as 10 plus 2. Also, 25 into 10, we know it's 250. It's easier to do the calculation with 10, like we already said. So, what if we find 25 into 10 first, then find out the remaining 25 into 2 and just add up these two numbers so that we can get the answer for 25 into 12. How can we do that? Let's see how we can do that. So, like we said earlier, we know 25 into 10 is equal to 250. And 12 we can rethink as 12 equal to 10 plus 2. We already know 25 into 10 is 250. So, what is remaining? 25 into 2. That is equal to 50. So, if we just add this 250 and 50, we'll get the answer for 25 into 12. What is it? 250 plus 50 is equal to 300. So, that way we can do the multiplication easily. We'll see more examples like this. Look at this multiplication. 48 into 102. As 102 is closer to 100. So, we'll rethink this 102 as 100 plus 2. Okay. We can easily do 48 into 100, which is equal to 4800. And what is 48 into 2? It is 96. So, the product will be 4896. You'll get the product in just 2 steps. Now, we'll see one more example. 121 into 39. Can we round off any of these numbers to tens, hundreds or multiples of tens or hundreds or so on? See, this 39 I'm choosing here in this case. So, 39 is actually 40 minus 1. So, I'm rethinking this 39 or taking this 39 as 40 minus 1. So, let's do 121 into 40 first. We know to multiply with any multiples of 10, you just multiply the number with the digit at the highest place and just add enough zeros to make up the places. So, we can just do 121 into 4, which is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 ones are again 4, and just add the 0 to the product. Now, what is remaining? 1 is remaining. So, 121 into 1, it is 121 itself. So, the multiplier was actually 39 and we took 39 as 40 minus 1 and we know the products also. What you have to do in this case, we have to subtract this one from this to make up for the 39. So, 4840 minus 121. So, that is 91. So, what is the product? 4719. So, I hope this is clear to you. Now, we'll do an activity. Turn to page number 26. You can see the heading. Try this at the top of the page. And the first two questions These two questions are written over there. You can pause the video, finish the exercise and come back. I hope you finished writing the products. Now let's see how we can do these questions. So the first question, 158 into 101. So let's rethink this 101 as 100 plus 1. Is it the way that you also take? I'm taking 101 here. So 158 can be written as 158 into 100 plus 158 into 1. This one, it's 15,800 and this one is equal to 158. So the product here will be 15,958. Now in the next case, what is the question? 125 into 99. So which is the number that you took here? I'm taking this 99 here, which is 100 minus 1. So I'm rethinking this multiplication as 125 into 100 minus 125 into 1. 99 is 100 minus 1. So again, the product here is 1, 2, 5, then these two zeros. You have already learned how to multiply numbers with tens, hundreds, thousands and so on in lower classes. You just add two zeros from the 100 to the end of the given number. Now 12,500 minus, what is this? 125 into 1, it is 125 itself. So let's do the subtraction now. Now it's 4 here, here 9, here 10. Now 10 minus 5, it's 5, 9 minus 2, it's 7, 4 minus 1, it's 3, 2, 1. So what is the answer here? It is 12,375. Now, in the same page, do you see this heading, Fun with Maths? And it's about some patterns in multiplication. See, you can look into your textbook now. The first one, observe the pattern. 121 into 11 equal to 1,331. And 121 into 111 is equal to 13,431. Now 121 into 1,111 equal to 1,34,431 and so on. See, every time a 1 is added to the multiplier, a 4 comes in between these two 3's here. See, here there are 4 1's and here 2 4's are there. Here one more 1 is added. Then one more 4 is added here. Now, can you guess what will be 121 into this number? You can easily write down or find out the answer from the pattern given here. Isn't that fun? Now, observe the pattern. Here, 1 into 9 equals 9. 12 into 9 equal to 108. 123 into 9 is equal to 1,107. See, here also we can see a pattern. Here it is 1, here it is 1, 2, here is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. The numbers are building up. Here, the last digit or the ones digit is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. It is decreasing in a pattern. And to the left of it, you can see 1, 0, then 1, 1, 0, then 1, 1, 1, 0. Again, there also we have one pattern. From this, we can easily guess what will be the answer to 1,23,456 into 9. So there are so many interesting patterns that you can find out in mathematics, in multiplication tables and so many other scenarios. So you can make or prepare your own patterns. You can even make charts with patterns that you are finding out. Then you can take a picture and send us so that I can see the interesting patterns that you are making. So that was fun. I hope the topic we discussed today, the shortcut multiplication, is clear to you. There are a few more questions that you can work out in your textbook. Now, as an activity for the day, in the same page at the top, you can see this, try this column. The first two questions, 158 into 101 and 125 into 99, we have already discussed in the class. The other two questions, 48 into 49 and 58 into 102, you have to note down in your notebook and work them out. Now, There is one more box below that Fun with Maths heading. You can see this box, try this. This is also a pattern. You can note down these questions in your notebook and write down the answers. So, I hope this was interesting. So, we'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Until then, bye.